Making one last video. This was a cave we didn't get to see on the nature hike. It says it's gate 4. Oh man. Smell that raw earth and bat guano. You can see where there's a runoff from the cave 2. Balancing on 2 rocks right now. And besides the bat guano, I also smell something else that's not going to have me go any farther. The Pepe Le Pew of skunk. Don't want to be sprayed. They want me to leave them alone, and I'm going to leave them alone. But, oh wow. Just see the blasted out parts of this cave. It's fantastic. Let me balance, go back out so you can see all this again. I'm down from Pirate Ridge, and even though my booty's still been sapped, I am going to enjoy the beauty that I'm surrounded by today. I was up hiking along that cliff wall. That's where Pirate Ridge is. But it is beautiful. Have a great day, guys.